Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this cool slash effect in UE4.27 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So this effect looks really cool and it's really easy. Just use one mesh and some elements. So if I just simulate it and stop it somewhere, see the elements, it looks cool. So I'll show you first. This is my effect, this, and the elements are 4. So first element is slash this blue bigger tube, then I'll just move this here. So second is duplicate version of this, but the radius of this tube is very less. Then I have this smoke, then these sparks, and all together it looks really cool. Okay, so how you do that? I'll create a folder, test. You just need this type of mesh, and if you don't know how to create, this is default mesh in 3D Max. If you just search in geometries node, you can find it. I think it is in curves, or I don't know, remember. I don't have installed 3D Max right now, but I do remember it is default in 3D Max. And if you don't have 3D Max, you can just download this mesh from somewhere on internet, and I'll also provide my full project, so you can download my full project also. And in this node, the UV is very straight, it's just like a planar, and you need this mesh. And then I'll start. So first we will see in material, then we will use those parameter in Niagara. So this is your test slash, let me write M